Hey dear belly dancers! This video is dedicated to creating a belly dance costume. I've designed a huge quantity of dance costumes, so I'd like to share with you some pieces of advice. Here we go! Let's start with the length of the skirt. I prefer to do floor length when you are on high heels. In such a way you'll be able to hide not perfectly clean feet and the skirt won't cut the length of legs. Of course, when you spin around, the skirt lifts and the audience may see your feet and even knees, but when you go with walking steps or horse steps, such lengths will be really helpful. Sure thing, it may take some time to get used to work with such a length, but it's worth it. If the model of the costume has a trumpet skirt, be sure it's made of stretching fabric and has an elastic band along the line of the skirt fit. Also, all bra straps should stretch. This gives you comfort while dancing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel not to miss my further tutorials and dance videos. In the model of my costume, you may see a shoulder fancy roller, and I added shoulder stretching strap to fix it on my arm. Coming to bracelets. These are just plastic bracelets trimmed with stretch fabric and decorated with rhinestones. Hope my experience in costume design will help you in further creations. If you have any questions, please text me in comments below. I'll be happy to help. See ya!